how to convert a Word document or Word file to PDF file. So here I have my Word document, and if I want to convert this Word file into PDF file, what I would do is just press F12 on keyboard, and that would enable the option Save As. And from now, I want to select the file type as .pdf, and if you want to tweak some options or some settings, you can check the options. You can tweak some of these settings from here, from this options tab. But if you want to save it as it is into the PDF file, then simply press save, and that will save the document file into a PDF file. And it is already converted, and you can see that PDF file, and now I can easily open the PDF file. So this is how you convert a Word document into a PDF file. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.